Yeah. I wonder how long will it take to crash again.
Oh, I got a notification.
Okay. Maybe let's join on Discord on the public voice channel. If someone wants to join in and comment, why not?
Yeah.
Or maybe not. People got. We don't need to stream on Discord as well. What? Oh,
So
yeah.
you stay here now?
Yeah, we just stay here.
Okay.
Forgot about one important thing.
I mean, people can still interact with us through the chat.
Yeah, I got the chat online right now. I can see it live.
I don't see on Twitch. Are you on Twitch?
Yeah, I
Or
should
YouTube?
be.
I'm not subscribed to you on Twitch.
I guess you're not. Let me copy my link.
Nico?
Aha. Yeah.
Okay. So
You
generated
get more
project files. Can't find what?
This is normal.
Okay. It's opening for an hour as usual. Jesus Christ, I already got a spam bot on
What?
Twitch.
Where?
It's like a spam bot calling, wanna become famous? Buy followers, primes, and views, blah blah blah.com. Oh my god. Yeah, buy followers, that will get you somewhere. It's ridiculous.
Is it really starting?
I think it.
I don't think you started it.
God damn it!
You have to double click.
Yes, but this was already running.
Oh, yeah, you're right. What happened to it?
I don't know. Welcome to Unreal Engine 5.
What? Your voice is repeating?
What?
Are you listening to your own stream, maybe?
No. I can. Like, I think that they can hear you as well, and that's it. Yeah, I'm just using one microphone, so it should be working.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that explains.
Yeah, I just muted the stream. I mean, you can hear us here in Discord.
O Boże, taki czerpię tymi łapkami. Mówiłem cokolwiek, coś do picia. Co nie jest kanał. Nawet wodę. I was AFK for a second and it's still loading. Jesus.
Co chcesz do jedzenia dam?
Jedzenie.
No wow, no co ty?
Nie wiem, cokolwiek. Coś do picia przede wszystkim. Yeah, it's a game jam project, so we're making an FPS shooter.
Oh, did you hear back from the dungeon architect guy?
I don't think I did. No, not yet.
Yesterday I tried to just put the 4.27 version into our project, but it didn't work out. There were quite a few errors. We also had errors with the Easy Ballistics plugin, but these were quite easy to fix. So
Wow, the DLSS does absolutely nothing. No.
yeah,
Compiling
maybe because
shaders.
you're streaming now.
Nah, like I got
Oh yeah, that's
12
the issue.
CPU cores. This shouldn't be an issue. Like compiling shaders is an issue,
Yep.
but still, DLSS doesn't seem to change anything.
Are you guys allowed using any plugins though? Yeah, we are allowed.
Yeah,
Usually you just need to list what you used from the marketplace or from something you didn't make yourself, basically.
yeah, but you can even use marketplace assets. That's normal.
Yeah.
By the way, can you mix the inputs that are the advanced inputs and the basic ones?
Right. Yeah, we need to set this up.
Because I'm scrapping the action inputs right now, and I'm just leaving axis inputs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I can switch the. Actually, you could do it. You're already in the same interface. It's just down below, under default classes.
Yeah, just a second. I just going to add. Oh no, not this one. It's another axis, and this will be mouse Y. Okay, so just leaving the axis mapping as default, and you're saying where it is?
Just look down. It's already on your screen. Just go down to the lower half of your screen. Default classes. There you find input class and component class for the input.
Oh, default class. Yeah, here it is. Player input.
Yeah, just choose the other one of the list, the enhanced one.
Oh, so it will ignore this one anyway, right?
I don't think so. It just enables us to use the other system as well.
Okay. So it compiled shaders. Oh yeah, it's a bit better. 90 FPS. Let's limit it to 60 so that my GPU doesn't boil again. And the keyword here is again. Okay, so let's start building absolutely base classes. So game play folder, and let's make a game mode and game mode base. And there's a difference between base and non-base. We don't need the advanced one. The advanced one was created for Unreal Engine Tournament. It has specific game loop of Unreal Engine Tournament in mind. So let's call it running out of space underscore game mode. Okay, and I need layers tab. Okay, I need
Word settings.
levels and word settings. Yeah. And word partition, this is the new one. And this will be here, but before levels, okay.
Do you have an idea how we can split up the work right now?
No freaking clue.
Should we just go along together with all the...
Yeah, probably just go along with stuff because it will be a tries and errors. I'm just doing absolute basics. Like I think one person could go on enemies, one could go with weapons or something. I will just set up a character, but oh no, it doesn't have to be a character normally. Where's the window for gas companion? Launchpad, here it is. Oh, it doesn't have anything else here. I wanted the AGR ready class.
Yeah, this is all not working.
You can try to install the plugin, but I'm not sure it would work with UE5. I didn't test it.
Okay, so character. Should I use GSC player character class?
No,
The
modular character.
Modular character. Okay, this one.
Oh, of course. I have like 5 seconds of lag. It was a bit strange. You're not sharing it through Discord.
Oh yeah. Should I? That's not really a
Did you do that as
problem.
well?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be nice.
Let me get here, and we are in here, and I want to share, well, not screen but application. And of course Unreal Engine is not an application, because why would it be? Let's just share the screen, doesn't really matter. I can do it for you guys. And hopefully it will not kill my internet completely. Like I don't want the stream to lose quality, but I got good internet, it should work. Okay, so we got this guy, and what we need is to set the mesh to be one of those. Oh, we already got weapons, awesome. One of those shitty meshes. face. Let's see how this guy looks like. So those are. What's the difference with the face? Oh, okay, this is the face. We don't need the face. Are they all running on a single skeleton? I certainly do hope so. Yeah. Neck, head, climb. It's not using IK. Oh, that hurts. That hurts very much. This one as well. But yeah, we'll manage. Doesn't really matter. Minus 88, minus 90. Okay, we got this guy. We don't have to do AGR as game feature, right? That's like we want to have components anyway.
Yep.
Okay, so we want animation master, obviously. I don't care about the sound for now. We want to have both equipment and inventory. And that's it for now. Like I think for this project we can do gameplay tags inside just this editor, not inside tables. Doesn't really matter much. It will be easier to sync because it just goes into an ini file. Comment, we don't need comment. Okay, let's do an anim graph for this guy. So let's rename the skeleton to space underscore skeleton. This will be the main one. Okay. This will go into blueprints. Yes. Okay, this one. BP AGR core BP. We don't need BP at the start. So we got this one. It goes here. Oh, thank you.
Still need animations, right?
Yeah, but I already added animations. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, I just have to retarget them. I added the pistol pack. It's the most reliable one. We don't need this. Stupid cat is trying to steal my food. Okay. This has to be deleted from the Explorer because it got a zip file. So now I can delete it. He just never learns. This cat, doesn't he? Okay. And window, retarget manager, add source, humanoid, and view pose. Okay, so this is the A pose. Let's save it. And we're going to retarget everything in a destructive way, so why do I have to click it again? Okay, let's maybe use this one. Humanoid, it's already set up. View pose. Okay. Huh. Okay, if I modify and reset. So this is the bind pose. Okay, doesn't really matter. So I need a T pose for the mannequin. Jesus, preview animation. Please tell me that. Yes, there is a T pose.
What was that? Nice move.
Okay, so like anywhere here, I don't see a difference. Modify pose. Use current pose. Okay, now I can retarget. Like the fingers, it won't matter really. Not much of a difference. So we got retarget options now. Save everything. We can go here. Oh, and by the way, here animations. Pistol Pro. Let's do this. We want, well, we don't need aim offset at all, so we just need all in place animations. Oh, and what's in the bind pose? Does it have multiple bind poses? Oh no, okay. So everything, retarget, duplicate. Oh, why? I definitely did set yep, there is a retarget humanoid. I mean, oh, and where's the option to show retarget options? Yeah, here it is. Mission scale. This is all skeleton. That's fine. Okay, I don't know why it's not in the preview, but it should work. I'm gonna risk it that it works. If not, we can always delete. So duplicate this guy, reference asset, convert spaces. I mean, no, just change. Yeah, we should be good to go. Let's see. Like this middle option is the thing you need to avoid the most, because it would change change references of the current asset. That would mean that all those animations would get destroyed pretty much. Okay, let's see if they even work. Oh, very much not. Oh, this is
like a ballerina.
yeah.
Okay.
Like strafe right.
I think we found our style.
Yeah. Okay, I guess.
Oh my god.
Like this is the T pose, definitely, 100%. I don't know. It acts like the. Yes. It acts like the retarget options were not selected properly. Okay, let's try it again. I guess I've done an error, big one, like the skeletons, they are not in the same space, so I have to convert spaces. I don't need this, yes and yes, and now it should work. And my cat is back to steal more food. My little kiciuś. They call him kiciuś. If I click now, everyone will see it. Is it safe for work, what you sent me?
On the game channel.
Co?
Game channel.
What?
Na kanale, game channel.
Yes.
No, to ja tam wysłałam coś.
Yeah. Typical cat. Okay. Did it retarget properly? Come on. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, let's save it. I can work with that.
What was the issue now?
When you retarget, if it's not the same skeleton, so it doesn't have, like, it has those retarget options, but it might have different bone rotations, you need to use convert space to new skeleton.
Ah, okay.
You must. So that's the thing. I didn't like, usually I don't use it because I retarget mannequin to mannequin, so there's no point of doing
Yeah,
that.
I see. Okay.
But this time it just created nightmare fuel, which is sometimes nice. Like, we could make a game one day that would be completely broken on purpose. That would be funny. Okay, so this one got a lot of stuff. And we need one more, which is starter pack. It got a lot of just idle static poses that are really good. Where is it? Here it is. And this is the mesh. And again, Jesus. How many times? Retarget manager. Oh, it's already here. Good. New, this guy, humanoid. Leave it as is. Okay. I need T-pose for this guy. But I can just do that from here. I can now retarget, duplicate, change folder here. Okay, use this guy. It will be broken, so yeah, that's cool. Don't convert space and don't remap. And and it's not broken because I didn't convert space. He ignored the pose, the bind pose. So now I have T-pose here, so I can go here. I can say preview animation T-pose. Now I have T-pose, which is funny. I can say modify pose, use current. Okay, bam, bam, and now I can retarget all of those. Except the T-pose, I don't need it twice, and except this bullshit anim graph that I don't need as well. Okay.
You have the character selected.
Oh yeah, and oh my god, because everything is here.
Yeah.
Wait, so Control A, not this, not
and
this,
a
not
blueprint
this.
shouldn't be a problem.
I don't want an blueprint, and besides, it would create duplicates of animations. And I don't want this anim blueprint. It's terrible. It's absolutely trash. And T-pose, yeah, I don't need this one as well. So just retarget those to our ROS. Oh, and now it has a preview. That's nice. Convert, show only, no, change game animations here.
Or could it be that the skeleton wasn't assigned a mesh yet? That's why you didn't see
It was, so I don't know what it was. It just didn't like refresh something. It didn't like, sometimes you have to hit save all to actually, or you even have to do fix up redirection in folders, and that also suddenly gets aware of stuff that it wasn't aware of.
Unreal things.
Yeah, just Unreal things. So those two folders, we don't need them at all right now. We already used everything we want from them. So goodbye. So long and thanks for all the fish. Someone wrote, just ship it like Fallout 76. Yeah, with those animations, that would be still better, honestly, than the state of Fallout 76 when it was shipped. But you know, we could just give you like fake $5 as I'm sorry. So someone asked about the idea for the game. So the idea is that you are a program that is deleting files to save up space. So we'll be just going against cubes that are files and shooting the shit out of them with a lot of weapons. And it will be an FPS. Yeah, hopefully, maybe someone will actually like it. Like even if we don't win, even if we don't even get featured on the video of Game Jam, because they don't play every single game that is being posted, we can still just go forward with it and publish it. Yeah, I have to eat my breakfast. My girlfriend is fighting with the cats, so he doesn't bother me. Like the young cat that we got adopted, he's just the worst. I love him, but he's the worst.
No manners.
No. And he's absolutely addicted to cheese.
Oh, really?
Yep.
you started streaming, yeah?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah. Like I was wondering if I should name the stream the name of the game, or should I name it I have no idea what I'm doing?
It's I got notification. It's yeah, like that's good. Pick it down.
Hmm. I will also delete a lot of stuff that is completely redundant in the ballistics VFX pack. Like working with Unreal Engine is mostly looking at progress bars.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, not as much as with character creator. Like when I work with DAS, character creator, and other stuff like that, then it's really heavy progress bars. Man, this asset pack of this map and the assets is like, I think one of the best spent money I ever did, except for electronic notes. That's the only better thing. By the way, we might even add cars to run over enemies with it. Like I've seen a tutorial recently about physics cars with chaos, and it takes like 7 minutes to set up a vehicle
Nice.
with inputs and everything.
Oh, that's good.
So you might have like an ultimate that would turn your character into a car. Instead of shooting, you will just drive over all the enemies. Yeah. Yeah, ramming things with cars is fun.
Do you know Twisted Metal?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
That was
yeah.
cool. And Carmageddon. Have you played
Best game.
Carmageddon?
Of course.
What is it?
Oh, it's a very old game. You played it on DOS in the
Oh my
days
god.
back then.
And that was the first game that had active ragdoll, like ever.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that was
They
the
were
first
only
ragdoll.
sprites.
Yeah.
Only sprites. Oh.
Oh yeah, it wasn't the first Carmageddon that had ragdoll. What was
Yeah.
the name of it?
Maybe the third one.
From here we'll not use this for sure.
But Carmageddon was really fun.
I love this is redundant, but I don't want to delete it yet. I will delete the animations for sure. So we can delete this, this, and that. We don't need those. Oh, delete button doesn't do anything, or it just freezes. Jesus. Again. My FPS freezes as well.
Yeah, maybe you commits.
Yeah, probably I should commit.
Uh,
Oh, okay.
Still there? Or did it crash? Oh, okay.
I'm back. Like it almost crashed.
Yeah, it looked like that.
I think it's time to commit to the repository. Why is it rebuilding distance fields? What the hell? Okay. Goodbye, mannequin.
I had a feeling about this.
No,
It's
he's here.
back. Living on the edge.
So what? Whenever I delete something, I get a short
Hello,
crash.
can you hear me?
What the hell was that?
What?
Hey,
What was that?
What
Yeah, we
was
can
that?
hear.
that's right.
Oh, okay. That robot voice.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. We can hear you.
Can you say something again?
Yeah, say something.
Cool.
Okay.
Is this a robot-generated voice?
Yes.
Okay, we don't
Yeah.
need those meshes. I guess there's nothing that is really have anything to do with particles. Yeah, I don't think so. So goodbye. Or you know what?
No, it's not. Discord text-to-speech, I think.
Particle physics materials. The fix. Okay, those two goes.
Hmm? What do you mean?
What? Why this fails? Like I want to delete demo map, first person examples. Yeah, those two. Fail to load assets. What the hell? Okay, I can't delete folders for some reason. Okay, screw it. I need to commit. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, just checking if I've frozen again. Okay, pushing changes.
Juną powiedział, a, WHATSUP. Kropka Wafferix powiedział, a, halo how are you all.
What the hell is that?
Powiedział, a, och my god. Kropka Wafferix powiedział, a, it works.
From where is
Come
that
on,
from?
stop that, like.
Kropka Wafferix powiedział, a, sup guys.
Okay, I think I have to...
Juną powiedział, a, this is going to be annoying. Uśmiechnięta twarz z otwartymi
It's even
ustami i
explaining the
uśmiechniętym
emojis.
oczem.
Yes, it's literally explained that.
Nice.
Powiedział, a, LOL.
Okay, if you continue that, I'm going to have to stop Discord.
Kropka Wafferix powiedział, a,
Jesus.
this speaks the language of emojis.
Just don't.
Oops.
Huh? Did you kick her?
Yes. I'm sorry, but for the spam, yeah, I kicked her. Okay, back here, and again, T-Max FPS 60. Okay, so let's see, nothing
You
broke.
completely removed her from the channel, by the way.
What? No, I just
Yeah.
kicked her.
No, she doesn't appear in the list anymore.
Yeah.
What?
How rude
Jesus
of you.
Christ. How rude.
Why are you like that?
Oh,
She
come
was trying
on.
to communicate with you.
Oh, I can't find her. Hey!
From Discord?
Yeah, I can't find her on Discord. What the
Wow.
hell?
Oh yeah, it's not in the Discord anymore.
What?
You
Yeah.
banned her?
What? Did I?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Oh
But
my
did
It's
god.
not in the mutual Discord now.
Yeah,
it's not
wait,
on Discord.
wait. I think I screwed up a bit. I didn't ban her. Oh, like, come on. Don't be silly. Come back. Is she back? I mean,
Oh, still.
okay. Okay.
She's
Added back. And
Yeah.
here.
She's back.
Okay. Okay, yeah, she's back. So, don't spam. Or stuff will happen. Apparently. And you should be aware that I have no idea what I'm doing, so I could ban you even by accident. Okay, we got animations. Let's make some more animation stuff.
Come back.
Blend spaces. And my cat is stealing more food. Stop that! Jesus. Blend spaces. Yeah, totally. Good luck on the jump. Yeah, thanks. We're probably going to fail. But it's gonna be fun. Blend space. Okay, this guy, it will be called pistol locomotion blend space. We're not doing crouching, right?
No, I don't.
Nah, I don't think it serves any purpose. So yeah, on the horizontal it's angle minus 180, and this will be by 8. And interpolation 0. And on the vertical this will be velocity, and this will be 370 from 180, which is the recorded speeds of walking and running in Cobalt animation. And it will interpolate slightly, like 0.2, and global interpolation will be like 4, and it scales to velocity. Okay, so pistol walk. Back. Okay, not crouch. God. Lowered. Yeah, we can use the lowered. Forward loop. This guy's cute. Or let's use the standard one. Backward loop. Backward loop. Forward loop. pistol loop, maybe like this. Run backward. Run forward. Sprint forward, we won't use that. Strafe left, so this is left 135. Oh, but this is walking, okay, so it goes here. Left 45, left. Okay. Right.
Wilgot Bo powiedział, a, 2 IQ go SBRR.
Why the hell is this like reading everything? Why?
I don't see even where it was sent.
On Game Jam channel, why is it reading everything?
No, I think it's reading from wafer and
No, it's reading from anything that's written here. No, not everything. Okay, so yeah, that was on purpose. Great. Thank you for doing something I just said I will kick people for doing. Straight. Ah! My cat is trying to improve the gameplay by walking into the keyboard. 45 left, 45 right.
You can
Okay.
click the second button in the top left corner to show the labels. Should be easier to verify if everything's correctly set up.
I think that the preview is doing the best job to see if he's actually doing a 360. It looks fine. Okay, so this is set up. That's the only blend space we'll be using, which is cool. Oh, that's actually the only blend space we will have. Okay, so let's go here. And oh, and we also need project settings, gameplay tags, add new tag, and we have this animation based pistol pro. Do we really need it? I mean, do we need to do all this layering? Ha! If someone can tell me what's the difference. Like I can modify it at runtime? That's sick. What?
It looks like a macro.
Yeah, what the hell is this?
Is this a generated blue?
Whoa!
Oh, you can just jump into it then.
Yeah, it's like a just a node pretty much.
Okay.
And it uses this as a template?
I have no
Whoa.
idea.
And this is a blend space player that takes just an input of blend space. Wow, interesting. But yeah, I think we'll go with this. And this is AGR core anim instance. Okay, great. So I can just drag velocity if I don't misspell it, of course. And direction. And we got basic movement. And we need slot for montages.
Oh, yeah.
Just the default slot. Man, it hurts so much without the. No, we need.
Electronic tiles.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
have it. I think I added it. Didn't I?
I don't know, and I don't know if it works.
Neither.
Okay, let's do base state machine.
Oh, no, I didn't add it.
So let's do like a minimum effort at least and do idle and moving. So in moving we got this, obviously, and in idle we got pistol idle. This is Pistol Pro and this is Animation Starter Pack. Okay, so this one. Idle. Idle not. Oh, it auto-connected. I kind of like that.
That's a plugin I added.
Ah, it's the one you set. Yeah,
Where
that
you
makes.
said you don't like it.
I changed my mind.
Yeah, obviously.
I just changed my mind. And why does it say not idle? Huh? How is that not idle?
What? It says idle.
No. If it was idle, it would go here. Oh, we're going to see in a second. So let's go to our guy. Yeah, gameplay. So this guy. Yeah, he's in idle, so I don't know. Maybe the preview is broken for some reason.
Check
HDR.
the transition rule.
The transition rule was fine.
Maybe it's wrong.
It says not
Oh.
idle, then enter, and if it is idle, it enters back.
Yeah, and what is idle? What is it set to?
It says idle false right now. This is just from HDR core anim instance. But here it plays idle as it should. So no idea. This guy looks so cute.
Okay.
Okay. And by the way, we can even change him on the fly. Like, what's the other way? He can look like this. Oh, this is cool as well. Looks like a miniature fat version of mannequin.
Should we change the base color as well? Maybe a white?
Should we?
Maybe white and
Maybe we
red?
can change the color based on how much health he has left, or do something with it, because I'm pretty sure that this color, like, how is this set up? Okay, I have no idea what's the UVs on that guy then. How can I check the UVs of this model?
Check that texture.
But I've seen the texture. The texture is always this, which is just an atlas of textures.
Hmm.
Oh,
And he's using like
yeah, one of
samples of the colors. Well, by the way, this is very clever because it's just one texture for every asset in the that you have here for everything. A single
it's
2K
very
texture.
performant.
Yeah. So he probably has UV that is just, you know, super small and just takes specific colors from this palette range. But yeah, we could probably just give it a solid color or something.
But I think you can also shift the UV coordinates, so you could still modify and pick other parts of it.
Yeah, or you can multiply and do stuff, but I'm terrible with materials, so I'm not changing that for sure. Like materials and particles, that's not my thing. I love them, but I don't know how to work with them. And someone even tried to teach me once, and I was like, what? Pa, 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 pa.
Totally not annoying.
No. Mm. Okay, those are the all axis mapping. Let's add.
You know that you can select all the nodes and hit Shift A to align them to the left side. Now hit Shift D.
Nah, no way.
Yeah,
Shift A? Oh my god. Yeah, no.
And Shift D is to the right. Shift W and S. You can look it up if you use the context menu. Right mouse click.
New start of the day.
Yeah, I'm new to the engine. Sorry about that. It's my first day, so. I definitely don't. And use palm control rotation. Thank you. Now, camera. No, let's rename it to FPP camera, just in case if we want to do something else. And it just, no, it doesn't use control, it inherits from this. Okay, socket offset is 0, this should be fine. Okay, so Shift S, Shift W. Oh my god! You changed my life. I can do magic now. If you hit Q, you should straight up the lines, which doesn't work in Unreal Engine 5. In 4 it would make the execution straight, so it would just set it like this, pretty much. And I love to have those straight. That's why I love.
Yeah, that should be doable with hitting the Q button. Doesn't it work in UE5?
Yep, it doesn't.
What? Let me check this.
I mean, this auto assigning, it's sometimes cool, sometimes not. Okay, so get right vector and then multiply it by float. What? There's just a multiply operation?
Yeah, it's only one anymore. You only have one anymore.
Oh, okay. It just changes.
I think you can right-click the pin to change what it should be.
Yes.
But yeah, it just adapts.
Okay. Well, that's kind of cool.
So if you want to get rid of this auto connection stuff and all that, you can just go to the BP asset menu. It's at the top of the editor.
I think I will just get used to it. It's not so bad. Oh, and one more thing. It will be in project settings, I think. Nope. In the editor preferences, I think. Where's the auto comment options? Auto size comments here. Default color, black. Random color, no. Like, I really like the black comments. They works for me. Oh, and by the way, if someone thinks that, I'm not multiplying the input by a value to have mouse sensitivity, actually you don't need to do that, because you can get player controller, and inside player controller you have set, how was it called?
Scale.
Yeah, it was, I think, scale. Yeah, input roll, pitch, and yaw scale. So this is the actual input sensitivity. Okay. So we go here. WSAD works, but the mouse doesn't work for some reason. What did I do wrong? Maybe it should use pound control rotation after all. What happened? Yeah, okay. So one thing to change is this multiplied by -1. And besides, I really like to use just graph formatter for stuff. Okay, so now we don't even have player start here, I guess. Where's everything?
You find it under create. Oh, the window. Go to window. Should be there. Place actors. Yeah, this one.
Jeez.
Could it be that the post-processing volume has motion blurring enabled, or what it's called?
Okay, so first of all, post-process should have, where is it, motion blur. Yes. Reflection lumen.
Motion blur, yeah. There it is.
Yeah. So
I hate motion blur.
yeah, because the default values are shit. Like this is proper values. And you can have like a mount of 0.2 and max of 3 per object size. Okay. So now motion blur will not be so terrible. It will be more acceptable. Oh! Stop eating my food. Stop eating my food. Okay. What do we need? Oh yeah, let's go here. AGR anim master, and let's do some setup that I haven't done. Okay, so base pose unrelevant really. I'll just do it. Overlay none for none. Modification text none. Rotate to velocity no. We're doing absolute rotation because it's an FPS. Rotation speed unrelevant. This is fine. Aim. Offset behavior nearest if it's in aim. Aim clamp will be 90. Camera based no. Aim socket Okay, I have no idea how the skeleton bones are named. Let's be hopeful that it's something reasonable. So, oh yeah, it's still spine 1, 2, 3, and the head is head, and the hand R is hand R. Okay, so it's the same. So this stays, and we don't need those traces. Okay. He walk speed is 600, I guess, so. Oh, I made a grave error here because I should do and I love you, cat, but scram. Split, and we are ignoring Z.
Yes, we will upload the final game. You will be able to play it.
What am I doing wrong? Jesus, okay. Or no, I don't need that. Get actor forward vector, and get actor right vector, and oh, okay, it's this one, it's this one. Don't cross the beams.
Yeah,
Like in.
it hurts.
Yeah, okay, now it's always full speed. We can even we can even increase the max acceleration to something crazy, and deceleration will stay the same.
Yeah, that should make it more snappy.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, so you really have a twitch shooter.
yeah.
You said yesterday that you can fix the head shaking that comes from the animation.
Yeah,
Is this something we could fix already?
yeah. Do you want to see it?
Sure.
So the easiest way to do it. And we want to convert it single frame animation and say animation frame 0 and say spine 0,
I
1,
didn't know you can
3
convert it like that.
and mesh space rotation. Yeah, you can input from 0 to 1, like which part of the animation, like this is really useful for turn in place, for example.
Yeah.
So this is just single frame and it's being blended on the top. So now when we had this shaky hands, look at the hands now.
Yeah, this is how ALS added these layers by playing.
Like the legs, they're doing everything in crazy speed, but hands, they're just stable. And my head, like you can see small head movement, but we'll negate that with IK as well, which we can add actually even now. So we need power IK, which we don't have.
We didn't enable. We don't have it. I mean, Engine 5.
We
Oh
don't
yeah,
know.
in Unreal Engine 5 I think it should be already implemented.
Yep.
But it's called something different. Choo, 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 choo. Let's use something from skeleton control. Where the hell is it? Skeleton control nodes. Those are the fast pass IKs. No idea. Okay. Maybe later. Oh, and this goes to our base, to be honest. So yeah, okay, that's fine. So this is just on top of the base.
Can you mark it with a comment why we do this? For the head stabilization, that's what I mean.
Okay. Like this? Should I comment it?
Yeah, yeah, just for reference, so we can look it up later.
Stabilize upper body.
Perfect.
Okay, now we need a name offset. And we need a name offset variable. So get aim base aim rotation. I need this one.
Oh, chat says that we need to enable it in the plugins.
You
Yeah,
need
I
control rig. Yeah, but with control rig I have to do it with control rig, and I don't know enough about control rig to use it. Like what I really liked about Power IK is that it's just a very simple node that you can set up in 5 minutes, while control rig requires to, you know, set up the entire control rig. Unless, what built-in plugins do we really have here for animations? Budget allocator, sharing, warping. Oh. Control rig. Like, it doesn't hurt to enable it. Isn't better sure you want to enable? No. Okay, never mind. Motion warping and animation warping, they are different. Okay. Ooh. This is motion matching. Interesting.
Yes. It's still experimental.
Like, what isn't experimental? Why does it say that this is project and this is installed? They're
Yeah, I
all-
don't know.
Okay.
Not sure.
Okay, I don't need this anymore. Let's go back here. So I just need this. And what were I doing?
Aim.
Yeah. So variables. Yeah, we need aim pitch, which is just pitch only as a float. So we want to split source and we want to take pitch. I think that's everything we need to do. And let's do, okay, let's do a subgraph, like I always like to do stuff. Animation blueprint. This guy, it's called ABP underscore aim offset. Yeah, we don't need ABP. Okay. Okay, ignore, add the existing in component space, yes, and this will be spine 01, spine 02, and because this is not going to be seen in third person, we don't care about anything else than spine 03. Okay, and split, give pitch, divide by 3, and say, I think it's on the z-axis. Okay, so after we input this, linked, come on, linked anim graph, aim offset, bam, 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 bam. Okay. Definitely not. So it was, I think, X, because it definitely wasn't what is.
What's the plugin
Oh,
called?
okay.
What making this so correct? I think it's the Blueprint Assist plugin.
Yeah, Blueprint Assist. Ooh, whoa, shaky. This is not correct. Let's go here. And let's go here. Oh, okay. It's not try get base aim rotation. It control rotation.
I think this have 1 frame delay.
Yeah, the aim rotation has 1 frame delay, but get control rotation doesn't. Ask me why.
That's what I need. Why?
No fucking clue. But it happens for 6 years. You see that?
Yes.
No delay.
Oh wow.
And this used to not work until 4.26 as well. What you would have to do is try get pawn owner, get controller, and from controller get actor rotation, and this was without lag.
Oh.
But now this is without lag, and this works in multiplayer, but it has 1 frame lag, so it's useless. Okay, so this is all we have to do, and we got aim offset now. So this is, oh,
Yeah, with text.
what? What? What?
The
What?
walls are down.
Are you crouching?
What? Like,
Can you step out the camera?
yeah.
Your spine is broken. it's a golem.
Okay.
It's me.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I mean, what's...
There's problem with the translation of the bones.
Wait, let's just skip this. Okay, yeah. It makes complete sense, why not? So modify transform, this is ignore, yes, ignore, yes. So this is rotation, add to existing, absolutely yes. So if I hit play, it's fine. If I look up and down, like it was fine a second ago. Unreal Engine 5, ladies and gentlemen, the future of gaming.
Check the hierarchy for the bones.
No, this is my life now. Like, This is how the game is going to run. I'm sorry.
Nice.
Like we could use a third-person camera for that, just for this amazing effect.
Yeah, I mean.
Spine 1,
it's
spine
pretty
2,
well with the
spine
thing.
3, and there's nothing. There's nothing that can break. It's literally, and my cat stole another part of my breakfast. Okay, it's the plate is going on the other side. There's nothing that can break. What can break here? Why? What?
Finally
Can you-
downloaded the repository.
Can you just disable this? Like connect the input with the output and check if just looking up and down breaks it already?
No, it's fine translation.
And besides, you can see that when I start,
It works fine.
yeah, like when you just hit play, it's fine. And if I just move mouse a little bit, oh, it's still okay. If I look down, it completely breaks. When I was looking up, it was fine. Let's try it again. So looking up, looking down, and I'm a midget. Like procedural crouching, ladies and gentlemen, works as intended. Like we're not doing anything here. We're doing this. Maybe he doesn't like subgraphs. I mean, maybe this is broken in general. Easiest way to see is if we do this. It's annoying sometimes.
Yeah, disable it. It's really disorienting.
So what is it called? Which one is it?
No, just stay in the editor. Just stay in the editor.
Yeah.
And go to the top. There it says BP assist. BP assist.
Oh, here?
Yeah. Auto. Yeah, this one, and just say never auto format.
Oh, okay.
That should do the trick.
And this will not break it for everyone else, I guess.
No, this is a local configuration. So you copy pasted it just for testing purposes.
Someone's asking what game we're doing. We're doing a game jam. So yeah, let's see if the same offset works. If it's direct. No, it's.
No.
Oh, but if I look up, I think I'm regaining the posture again.
Oh,
Interesting. So if my aim offset is above certain level and below certain level.
negative.
Yeah, and-
When you go negative.
Why?
When you go negative below the threshold, it's bad.
You're dividing by -3. Is this correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is correct. I have to, like, I have 3 bones, so I equally dividing. If I don't do by -3, it's reverted.
This is like an AI that is trying to guide you through this.
Like, let's look
Sounds
here.
like that.
Like, why? Why do you hate me so much?
Can try pushing +3 divided by 3, not -3.
Sure, sure,
Yeah,
not a
check if
problem.
it's negative value.
But it will be.
The opposite, yeah.
Works perfectly, and if I look up, yeah. So it's just something about the bones themselves? Like... Why? Why? Why you hate me? So it's not because of the subgraph. So what is it? I don't know. This is our life now. At least for now. Like if you aim high, you are high. If you aim low, you commit into that. Okay. And by the way, our character movement. Let's say that he can go up to 55, and let's say perching threshold is at least 15. An additional height. Let's leave it at 40. So now he should at least be able to walk up ledges. Yeah.
I will check in the PX project how you made it there. Maybe I can find something.
And let's make walk speed like 900. We're talking about dynamic shooters, so this is quite fast.
But that's good.
Like for me 600 was fast enough. Like this is crazy fast. But yeah, why not? Okay. So yeah, everything works as intended, obviously. What else? What else do we need? Yeah, let's do the jump. So the jump has to be done with abilities because we like to have our lives miserable. Okay, what type of objects do we need?
For what?
For making ability-based jumping?
A game ability,
You wanna make it a
input
multi-level?
context. Yeah, good question.
If I'm what?
Do we want to make it a modular game feature?
Into jumping? I don't know, I will just
No,
do...
the ability as well. Oh, you're adding it to the character.
Tested on multiplayer. Oh my god. The aim offset won't work on multiplayer right now, so that... Or maybe
Yeah,
it
we
will.
can fix it later.
Yeah.
Fix it later. It doesn't matter now. We need to make the game loop work first.
So should I make the feature? So how do you do a feature? I forgot. I was on the start of the...
Okay, first, I think the character is inherited from the guest companion, the player character.
The player character is a modular character.
Okay. Yeah, that's the base character. Okay, you need to add from plugins. You add the new, yes, this.
Game feature content only. Okay, and name will be...
This can have several abilities and everything.
character features, maybe. That's better description of what it does. So if we have vehicles or something else, it will have something else. Okay, so I'm making this. And now I got this. What I'm doing here.
Yes, you add an action. to add a component for. I can't see the smoke from. I can't read.
Just says other abilities modular gas companion.
Yeah.
Okay. And it will say ability list, and I have a list, and I have, well, nothing yet. So how do I add?
Create an ability.
But should I create it in the folder of the character features content? So here, right?
Yes, make folder for abilities.
Okay. So I just make blah, 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 gameplay ability.
No, gameplay.
So gameplay effect abilities.
No,
What?
not from here. The gameplay.
Okay, gameplay ability blueprint. Okay,
From the main.
so gameplay ability. There's already a character jump, by the way.
This is the one I think I created.
Okay, but that's just for so a underscore jump. Let's do it like this.
Call it GA, gameplay ability.
GA?
Yeah.
Okay. Why not? Okay.
So the first thing is
So
that you want
event-
to commit.
Commit ability.
Oh, that's not.
Yeah. Is it per? Oh, okay. Yeah, I
Make
guess
it
you.
for project.
Yeah, I guess you have to do that.
Oh my god, how to do that? To make it per project. Maybe
Yeah,
here.
maybe.
Can't search for it.
Yeah. I'm looking for it too.
Still compiling shaders.
I don't think it has a global setting.
I have disabled it in my projects, so I know it can be disabled. Ah, there it is. It's a bit hidden. Search for auto formatting.
In editor preferences.
Oh, it is never.
Yeah, it's never, never, and never. Never to all. Maybe now. Because this is not a blueprint graph, this is like a different type of graph. So all of types of graphs have separate.
Yeah, that's true.
So this is not a blueprint apparently.
You can add it to the disabled graphs. Yeah, that could work.
Okay, so if committability
Is it disabled
fails,
Yes, I think.
yeah.
Good.
Okay, and if it is true, then how do I get
Get
character from?
avatar. Get avatar.
Ah, okay. Hmm. Huh. wait gameplay event to actor.
Is everything alright?
Send gameplay event. Yeah. So wait gameplay event, right?
Yeah, it should be wait for gameplay. Yeah. The task one. This one.
Is my volume too low? Or?
No, it's
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, and you said that we should make tags that start with what?
Gameplay events. Or gameplay event. It's probably just a convention thing on the project. You can name it however you want.
Okay, gameplay event.
You can also do this from within the gameplay ability if you want.
Or we can just say event as
Or
well.
just
So it's,
event.
yeah.
As it-
I don't imagine using it for anything else, the event. Okay. So the event landed. So we are listening for event landed. Only matches exact, only trigger once, yes, sure. So when event received and ability. And
loop
this
and jump on character or not?
yeah, so now how can I do it directly in the character, the landed and oh my god, AP assist, okay, never. So on landed send gameplay event to actor self, right?
Yes.
And the event tag is just landed with no payload because I don't need payload for this one. I just need the tag. Did my cat? He just really likes scrambled eggs. Okay. So this is it, right?
Yes, I think so.
Well, if cast fails, then also end ability. Oh, no, it's this one. So like all executions should eventually end with end. And this goes perpetual. Okay. Okay. On the end ability, I can actually, just in case, get avatar cast to character. Stop jumping.
You can add it on before ending the ability. That's okay.
So here,
Yes.
what's the
But
difference?
It's called before the
and-
end.
Oh,
Ability will call this.
okay, so it's better to call it here because it's just called before the actual end of the ability, right? Okay, that makes sense. So we got this gameplay ability jump, and I can specify now. No, I can't. What? Actor class. What's the actor class? Oh, okay. Actor class is the player character. And the granted abilities is the
No, this is for the
This is input
for the
binding.
output. Yes, this is the class.
Yeah.
No,
No, it's fine. It's fine. Don't delete it.
yes.
Yeah, there you can choose it. And we need to create a
Fine.
input. Is it called an input context?
Context and the input point.
input modifier trigger.
have it from the list outside. Input.
You could use the input file
Yeah, this one.
menu.
So I should make mapping context or input action?
We need
No,
both.
Yeah, from
Okay.
input you can create it.
Input mapping context.
We need both.
Okay, character context. And we need now input action, and this will be. Does it has multiple inputs inside an input action?
Yeah.
Yes.
Movement.
Character input action. Okay. So I got this and this. So context has mapping, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Assign
and
a key.
but I don't have anything in the context yet, so I think I have to do this first, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's
Okay.
where you define the binding.
Okay, so action, yeah, consume input, yeah, value pull, yeah, trigger when paused. Okay, so triggers are pressed.
Can without.
I can go without
Yeah,
it.
It's
Okay.
the default if you don't define it.
Okay, so this is just default and it consumes input. Okay, just as I wanted. And I don't have to do anything else?
No,
Because
you know.
if you look at the down tooltip, when it's a default behavior. So if you don't define any triggers, it's going to use one by default, which is the down one.
Oh, it will ignore any other.
It will just no. It would be the same as if you had one trigger, which is a down event, a down triggers. If you don't define one, it's going to use it for you, set up it for you.
Okay, so I should just leave it as default, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Can.
Okay, so now I can pick this one, which is this character input action, and I'm going to say spacebar.
By that.
No,
Click on
On the left.
yeah, I know. I'm just used to it. Triggers, and now I pick an ability. No,
the. No, it's bind it. You bind it in the modular gameplay.
so I don't do triggers and modifiers.
No need.
Okay, because they are taken from here,
Yes.
and this is an override. So if I specify them both here and here, what will happen?
I'm not sure. You have
Okay,
to try to be. It
So I
should
will-
be either an override or in addition to your input actions.
I would probably say that this would probably override. But yeah,
If you mouse over the triggers, what does it say?
if I hover over, okay.
On the triggers, it should have a tooltip.
If you trigger qualified exists, the mapping will not be triggered unless if you are any explicit triggers. Someone wanted to say hi. List must be met. Okay, I have no idea what I'm reading.
I didn't play that much with triggers yet, and Mirna in your chat has a lot more knowledge than me for this.
Someone on the chat here is saying how it works. The first bind here, but you generally override it elsewhere. That's a better workflow. What? At least from my experience. Okay, I have no idea how it works. Input
Yes, bind them
action,
here.
and now I put input action here. Okay.
And you need to add the needs.
What?
I can't see where's the plus, but you need to add it.
Oh, okay. So granted attributes? No, I don't need attributes.
Can't see actually.
Wow, what plus button? What?
No, I think it's in the actions. You can add the plus. The main route.
The main route actions, yeah.
Add one.
Boom, yeah.
Yes, and input. Assign input. I think. Yes, the last one. Input mapping. Yes.
Oh, okay, because I need both ability and input mapping.
Yes.
That's confusing as
And you
hell.
need the priority for that.
And priority need to be at least one. Yeah, definitely user friendly. This says active, okay. Okay. So in theory that works already. I don't have to map anything inside the character itself.
No.
So that's the fun part. Let's see. Nope. Wait, but let's see if he can even jump. Maybe it's disabled.
No, I don't.
Mm,
Character.
yeah, it's
Can
here.
jump, yeah.
Can jump, yeah. So he can jump, but he's not jumping. Why?
Can you try to unregister then activate it? Yeah, try it now.
You try to deactivate, save, and reactivate.
Okay. So registered, save, activate. Nope.
Can you try to open up the command, the in-game? We'll see if the ability is actually granted.
How can I?
With the, I think on your keyboard, I'm not sure. On mine, it's
Yeah, I think we haven't granted it in the startup abilities.
and right now you need to type with the command
Yeah.
show debug, all in one word. Show debug.
Should.
Show debug.
Show
Yep.
debug.
Before
Oh,
debug,
okay. Show debug. Okay.
Space ability system one word.
Yeah. Not should, show.
Show. Yeah.
Sorry, that's my pronunciation.
Oh, I absolutely love your accent.
This one and ability system all in one word. Yeah. Yeah. we
Okay,
got it.
this is the character. Show the character.
So
What?
you don't have the attributes. Did you grant some attributes in the feature action?
No. No attributes at all.
There's another command you need because in the gameplay debugger you have 3 pages, and the one we want is the abilities one. Right now we are on attributes, so you need another command for this. It starts with should just play. Do the same.
So what? Just hit play?
Yeah, hit play. I'm going to show you how to navigate through the gameplay debugger. If you can hit play
So
the game.
again,
Yeah.
show debug.
Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
I can just.
Open up the command. I think you can. You have
Yeah.
history of commands also.
Yeah.
If you type up with the keyboard, you should have your previous command.
Yeah. So I already applied the ability system.
this one.
Show debug.
And now the next one you need to type is ability system. And you're going to, from the start, it's ability system dot.
Yeah.
You need to remove the show
Show
debug.
debug.
Okay.
Yeah, erase everything. You need it's a new command.
What's it called?
Debug next category.
Ability system next category, but you need to.
Okay.
And you have it in. If you type up, it's ability system dot debug dot next category.
Okay.
You have it in purple right now. Yeah, this one. The next page should be gameplay effects. If you type enter, should be good now.
Okay.
Okay, you have the ability to jump, yeah?
Yeah, we are on gameplay effects now, and if you issue the same command again, we are going to be on the right page.
So what now?
Abilities, and you have it granted actually.
This
The
is the
agent
abilities, yeah.
is in gray. So the ability is granted. So
Okay.
that's not the issue right now.
So it's the ability itself is somehow screwed.
Can I see the BP player character?
Oh, for the character? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see the blueprint. Maybe it's missing a component.
The enhanced input component, you need it?
I think the MGC.
Oh.
Yeah, can you try to?
Input mapping, yeah.
We need
Input.
one more component.
Binding this one, right?
The MGC ability input binding.
Okay, yeah. Now I have it. And I don't specify anything in the context, right?
No. You
Okay.
can if you need to have some context by default without the game feature, but
Okay,
see, yeah,
it's
and
still
push
not
context.
working. So is there anything I have to specify here?
right now, no. Since you did it in the game feature. And now can I see the game feature itself?
Yeah.
The data set?
What? What do you want to see?
This one, actually, it seems fine. It seems fine. Maybe it's about the input action. I don't know.
Input action. Just says consume.
Yeah, it should be alright. We've seen it working before in the course, but yeah,
Maybe I should specify triggers,
shouldn't have to.
like pressed.
Now digital bull is the one you want.
Yeah, let's not. If you say that I shouldn't, then let's not. Oh my god, what else there is?
Should be down.
Oh, it should be down?
In the triggers, if you want to on the default behavior, it's down. In the input action.
Let's see, maybe this helps. No. Like this.
Actually, you're specifying the ability with it, not the template.
What do you mean the template?
Is there the MK file for the jump?
You mean the base class for the jump?
No, MK added a jump ability.
Yeah, he did. Ah, okay, I know what you mean. No, it's mine.
It's our.
Yeah, it's ours for sure.
Is it not committing? Try to print on when you commit the ability.
Okay, so let's hit play.
Can you open the output log also, if you can? So that we can see the logs. Maybe there's a warning.
And oh my god, no, wait, where's the log?
In a window,
Yeah.
in the editor, the output of the engine. It's not within the game.
Log.
Yeah, the log is a window. I think it's output log. Yeah.
No, you're right. Down, further down. Down. Stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Second category, the last item in the log category. This one.
okay, no, it's not this. Okay, here.
While the game is running, keep the game running. If you can try to deactivate the game feature and reactivate it with the data asset.
Where the hell is it? Okay, it's here. So go to registered and back to active, right? Okay.
It's character features, the name.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Now it works.
Oh.
So why did it didn't load?
It's really something about the Pi sessions. Something they mentioned in the inside Android is that that's something you just need to be aware of it, and that you need to
Can I load it on Begin Play or something?
if you need to make it always active for your game, that's something you need to handle a bit differently. It's the initial state in the character features in the data set. Just going to show you so that you're aware of it. Yeah, in the dataset character features.
Okay, here.
Now you have it in the context browser, the pink one. The pink on the most left, character features.
Is this one, right?
No. This one. And you have the edit plugin button in the data set.
No freaking idea what.
Yeah, get inside it. Open it. Edit.
And
Oh.
if you need to change the initial state for your game, if you mouse over the tooltip, it is going to describe it a bit better.
Okay, but active is the one that we want, so.
It's active by default. But if you
Yeah.
need to change it at some point, that's where you will change it.
Okay,
That's
so if we like make features that will be called vehicle features and we don't need it from the start, we can make it just installed or registered
Yes.
and change it to active when needed.
Yep.
Okay, like this is really cool when you make really complex games and you reuse a lot of assets, but when it comes down to time saving, I'm doing this for 4 hours now, and we got jumping and broken name offset. So, yeah, not very much user friendly. Jeez, and it still doesn't load automatically. So.
You can't jump?
No, not when I load, and now I can.
Oh.
I had to unload it and load it at runtime for it to work. So yeah, annoying as frick. Okay, but it's like super freaking clean. But we made 4 different objects and a lot of setup to pretty much do this.
Yeah, but you can't compare it because it's much more powerful than that.
Yeah, like in this very specific example.
Yeah, it looks stupid.
Yeah. Like if we were doing Skyrim, then yeah, but oh my god.
Yeah. But I see this also as a way for us to just learn this.
But we could, for example, move all of this into feature as well, and we could make a feature called just basic locomotion, and we could reuse it then, right?
Yeah.
So that makes a lot of sense. And if we do everything like that, we would have almost empty graph. Okay,
Yeah.
why the aim offset is not functioning? This is really bothering me. Because
Can you
this
commit
is a
maybe
problem. Yeah. Let's commit first.
before we destroy anything?
Yeah, that's an idea. Basic animations and inputs. Okay. And push.
Nice.
Okay, let me restart the project. Maybe this will help with a lot of things. This unfortunately solves a lot of issues all the time. Just good old restart. What SC? What stands for SC? Are you guys using? That looks nice. No.
Source control maybe?
Oh,
We're using Git.
yeah, and this is Git, desktop Git. Don't use it. It's trash. Yeah, what StarCraft? Yeah, the original one, of course. StarCraft 2 sucks. Okay, let's see if our aim offset is still broken. Yeah, it is still broken. What's wrong with this character? Okay, let's go here, blueprints, and I want to see preview. So I have preview and I can type in pitch. So 45. Okay, this is 45. Looks legit, right? It's very happy.
Mostly.
90.
This is like a yoga master.
Like he could play like this. Oh, and funny, D doesn't work for some reason.
And if you go the other way around,
Okay, so now if I go the other way around, so I go -10, -45, -90, it looks as it should. So this is how it should look like.
yeah.
So even the preview is not broken.
Why is your preview out of date? Should you hit the compile button? Oh, you're changing the defaults, not.
Yeah, I'm just changing the
Yeah,
defaults.
You can do that in the window below that.
Yeah, I know. Let's test it live. So I'm looking down
that's-
and it breaks. So now Shift F1. Let's go here and say that my preview is. What am I looking at? Where the hell is it? What is this? Where's the preview mesh?
Oh,
No.
Look to the right. There's a double arrow to the right, pointing to the right. To the far right.
Yeah.
It's probably hidden behind that arrow. Yeah, this one.
Oh, son of a gun. Okay, so yeah, so this happens. So that looks disturbing.
Guys, I'm going to leave the call. I may play some video games a friend.
Oh.
and be back.
Right.
Okay, I see the problem.
Topic and a question. Have fun, guys.
Have fun.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah,
Bye.
you too. Bye. Okay, I found the problem. It says that the pitch is 318.
Oh,
Okay. Because I am stupid. This is why. Na 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 na. Because this will not work as it is specified here. And because I am lazy and I don't remember what I did after 4 hours fighting with this, I'll just take a look at my tutorial series video project. This is a proper working FPS in proper actual engine. So in air false is this and true is actually this. Oh, and the jumping doesn't work again. Okay, an actual game engine and let's find his anim graph. So in the event graph, no FPS stuff, it's here. Okay, so get control rotation and get actor rotation, you do delta rotator. Okay, that makes actually a lot of sense. Wait, this one is on the bottom. Yeah. Boom, and now split and pitch. Ha 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 ha.
oh. That's it.
What is a super chat?
Super chat, what? Super chat is, I don't know, some new feature of YouTube that allows you to put stickers and some extra stuff for special users. So we made like stickers and stuff, but I think my channel is too small and it's not eligible to use the super chat.
Okay, because someone mentioned it on Twitch that he was trying to say something to you.
Yeah, but the super chat is disabled for my channel. Like, it tells me that it's cool that I want to participate with it, but yeah. Let me see if someone else wrote something. Curse mail. LSV4 is GKey V2 merge. What? No, I'm not working on the ALS. Like, I love the quality of the system, but it's not very user friendly. Just like game features. But those I will use. Okay, we're not doing turn in place. We don't care about that really, right?
No.
Okay, so we got this guy working. And we still have troubles using the jump. I just bumped out by those game features. Where is it? So this is character features content. So what else can I do here? What fits here? To be honest, like actor components, obviously. Scene components. What shouldn't be
Like,
in-game features?
everything is as feature can be here.
Mm,
I think we have cheats also, but we're not using them.
so this will stay in-game features, and this will go to our game. So let's say that I want to go into blueprints, and I need weapons, right? We need a weapon class.
Yes,
Yeah.
Should it be
that's-
part of game features, or should it be part of the game itself?
it should be an ability.
Maybe both.
But we want weapons to be actor based, not components or child actors. So where should it be? Like, should it be game like
Yeah, maybe how the weapon works is a component that we could put in a modular game feature.
Yes, the functionality.
And the physical representation and all that is an actor that is part of the main project. I don't know if this works, but I would
I think
try it like that.
you can reference things for the game feature.
Okay, so let's say I want to have a skeletal mesh.
Yeah, this is one of the big differences if you compare it to just plugins or modules. In a modular game feature, you can actually take a reference to your project.
Yes.
But I want to add easy ballistic, which is not a game feature. It's just a component from a plugin. So I can make game features depending on plugins, right?
Yes, and you can make plugins depend on plugins,
Okay.
and game features depend on game features.
Mm.
So that if you want to launch one, it will say that you need that game feature to be active.
Mm.
And my cat is back. Go away.
Don't you want to use one of our nice packs, or is it one of those? have
This
3
is a
gun packs.
default, and on special I am using this default, so we don't mix it and never use the template.
Ah, okay.
So in
yeah,
child I
makes
will
sense.
I will make it proper, and I
Alright,
want the
alright.
template to be distinguishably bad.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It should disgust you when you open it and you already know what's going on.
Attach component to component. The parent component is the skeletal mesh, and socket name is barrel socket name, and the default is barrel, and snap keyboard meant. Okay, viewport. Perfect. Now let's make it not ridiculous, and at least for the socket rotated 90 degrees. Okay. So this does everything. So let's make a bullet as well. And I can, if I do it here, I can then move it to features without issues, right?
Probably, yeah.
Like you could make a feature would be just called guns.
Yes, you can
Yeah.
make that.
Okay. Because they can be just content based, they don't have to use abilities.
We have to try it out. We haven't used it either.
Okay.
Can
We
you
just
check
learned a bit
the-
about it.
check the Discord channel a bit?
Yeah, in a second. So BP bullet. Okay. Where are we? Let's get away from stream. Yeah, sure. We can like do a break. Right now, I just want to set this as default bullet type. BP bullet, and in the BP bullet I want to enable debugging for like 0.3 seconds or something. Okay. So yeah, like for now we just got this guy. We got game features that you can activate, and once they're activated then grant you abilities like this jumping, and we just got animations. And yeah, a solid start for an FPS game. So yeah, that's it for the stream for now, and next one in like an hour break or something.
Yeah.